नाउ द इम्पैक्ट ऑफ एंटी पार्टीशन मूवमेंट। अब इसका इम्पैक्ट क्या रहा? In the modern history, there are few things that changed the fate of Indian political system. First was the Battle of Plassey, that was fought in the year 1757. Second was the event, or the Treaty of Allahabad, that was signed in the year 1765. Afterwards, there was a revolt in 1857, right? 1857, and later on we got an organization which is known as Indian National Congress. These are the steps that brought a big change in the fate of Indian political system. This partition of Bengal also played a significant role in bringing up the political changes, the social changes, and the change that the world was about to see in the leadership of Indian National Congress also. पहली बात तो ये रही कि जो मूवमेंट रही from 1885 to 1905 till this partition of Bengal, it was limited to the educated group only. National movement was limited to the educated group only. But when this partition of Bengal took place, this national movement and this agitation reached to the masses में चला जाता है, आम पब्लिक में चला जाता है. तो यहाँ पे आम पब्लिक या commoners started participating in it. Earlier it wasn't there. Second thing, this partition of Bengal gave a chance for the young generation, young leaders to took initiative to lead Indian National Congress, and that young leadership brought new methods, new strategies, new leadership, new objectives in the national movement. And these things happened just because of the partition of Bengal. Though Lord Curzon's idea was to put a rift between Hindus and Muslim, he might have done this thing. हो सकता है ये कुछ हद तक वो कामयाब भी रहा, कह सकते हैं. लेकिन इस पार्टीशन ऑफ बंगाल ने it opened new chapters for the Indian political system or Indian leadership and Indian national movement. Next thing that I would like to discuss with you, that people never thought in this way that we should took major steps in order to curb the economic progress of British. अब जो ब्रिटिश की इकोनॉमी जो ग्रो कर रही थी उससे रोकने के लिए we should take some steps. It was never came in the minds of our leaders, but here, for the first time, these people, I mean these Indians, started Swadeshi and boycott movement in order to put a stop in the इकोनॉमिक ग्रोथ ऑफ ब्रिटिश की इकोनॉमिक ग्रोथ को रोकने के लिए, उसके ऊपर एक फुल स्टॉप लगाने के लिए, दे स्टार्टेड स्वदेशी एंड बॉयकॉट मूवमेंट एंड दे स्टार्टेड पॉपुलराइजिंग इट. एंड दिस मेथड लेटर ऑन बाद में जाकर महात्मा गांधी, व्हेन ही अपीयर्ड on the platform of this national movement, he also adopted this method. So this is the impact of your partition of Bengal on the Indian political system.